Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the Zebronics Zeb wireless mouse, optical mouse. This is the optical mouse. This is not the unboxing. I'm not going to take this out. This is on the offline store. Just want to tell you the details. And this is for the 249 rupees special price, as they mentioned. I checked the online prices also. There will be something like 50 rupees difference. That's it. Yeah. This is the nano receiver. It works with the USB nano receiver. You can call it as USB dongle. And this is battery operated. You need to insert one AA battery. I'm currently using Portronics 23 wireless mouse laptop since 6 months. I already uploaded the review video in the description. You can check in the description for those links. Yeah, and the look is very handy, and the build quality is also looking good. It has 4 buttons: left click, right click, that scroll button, and the DPI switch. This is the DPI switch, so you can adjust the mouse sensitivity like 800, 1200 and 1600 DPI. And as I said, the availability on the online, yeah, there will be something like 50 rupees difference, because this offline store has the special offer. That's the reason they are selling that for the 249. Maybe slightly this Zebronics bold, maybe slightly different version. As I said, it works with the USB nano receiver. This is the USB nano receiver, and as I said, you can adjust the DPI 800, 1200, 1600, and it is 2.5 gigahertz. Means it works for the 10 meters distance, okay, without any obstacles. Wow, that is what mentioned in the online details. I read that. Yeah, as I said, I did review video on Portronics 23 wireless mouse. Yeah, this is the one I uploaded. And along with that, Desfull wireless mouse also. This I purchased for 400 rupees. Desfull wireless mouse, Desfull TC M500, which comes with the RGB lights. This unboxing and both review videos will be available in the description. You can check, and please do comment who else are using this Zebronics Zeb wireless mouse, and how is it doing. And as I look at this here, the price is very reasonable, 249 or even for 300 rupees. This mouse is very reasonable. I felt I didn't use it, but please do comment if you want review video on that, so that I'll somehow will have this video uploaded. Zebronics this one Zeb wireless optical mouse. Yeah, 3-level DPI switch, power on off switch at the back side. Yeah, please do comment your questions.